Have you ever wondered how safe your packages really are? Let's take a look as this model citizen protects her neighborhood from this would-be thief.
It's my aunt. It's my aunt. I am. Your package got caught and they wouldn't go get it. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. That's my cousin.
The Ring doorbell security system not only notifies you when there is a motion at your front door, it allows you to record and talk to the person on the other end. As you can see, this thief was clearly behind the times.
Excuse me.
Hello? Doug?
Yeah.
The box is out here in the corner. Trying to get them.
That's all right. You can leave.
Hey,
Thank you.
all right.
There is nothing worse than coming home to find out you've been robbed. Let's watch as this package thief gets a much-needed surprise of his own.
Hey man, you like those candies? You like that candy?
Yeah. Ask if I could
You want to
deliver
put
this. Form.
you want to put that box back?
Yeah, I was gonna ask if there's a possibility, and I didn't know if y'all would let me. I've been on the streets for a couple of days.
You know, there's 3 pieces of candy in there, and it ain't worth taking.
No, I got a honey bun. The lady next
Okay.
door.
Well, I got your face for the cops.
No, I'm
You probably ought to take off and get off my porch.
no problem, sir. No, I'm sorry.
If you ever thought it was safe to trust a man in uniform, think again. Watch as this worker uses his employment to attempt break-ins in broad daylight.
Get away from the door.
Thank you for watching. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to stay up to date. We'll see you soon. And if you liked the security system used in these videos, see the links in the description for discounts and savings.